Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to the only beacon of light in the crypto markets, and that's Book of Meme or Bome. All right, because well, we cover this. If you, in general, if you watch my videos, you would have been prepared for this. All right, and you could have actually made some money out of this because what we have always said, and I did a video on that yesterday, of course, as well. But what we have always said. Is that Bome was consolidating right here in this box, and that we were waiting for a breakout above 1.53, and then once we actually had that bullish breakout, we could rally up to 1.75 and 1.85, which is what happened. All right, so you would be prepared. Now, did I take a trade on this? No. All right, I took some trades on Bome earlier, and I did make some money out of it. But the thing is that yesterday, and that's what we covered in the update yesterday morning, is that I wasn't too sure about Bome. And just in general, I mean, can you blame me when the open interest is going up and down like this? I'm not sure. What I did say in the video is basically, I mean, we got the bullish breakout, and what happened then is that we lost a lot of momentum right here. So that worried me a bit, but what I said in the video as well is that I said, well, if the open interest is actually going to find some support here, we will still be bullish. All right, so we found that support, we continued to be bullish, and right now, I mean, purely technically, we actually are bullish, even though Bitcoin had a bit of a drop overnight. Well, a bit of a drop, quite a significant drop. Bitcoin had a drop. A lot of altcoins are down. I mean, if you look at the total 3 right here, this is very much starting to look like a downtrend. So that's all going on. And Bome is actually still making higher lows. We're respecting the 28 and the 50 EMA and the whole range between them, which is usually seen as a very strong indication of support. It's a weird way to say it, but that's usually a strong support. So I'm actually bullish on Bome. Now the thing is, and I do want to make this clear, I think the price action and the price movement and the buying behavior behind Bome, is very weird. All right, you can see that we're making some sort of a weird pattern right here, where basically it's kind of like a head and shoulders. But this is the momentum. Look, the only way you can actually make higher highs is if the momentum is bullish, if the open interest is going up. We don't necessarily need to make a new higher high, but there is some sort of a divergence here. So purely technically right now, Bome is very bullish, right? So if you look at this is bullish, but I do want you to be careful, right? I would say that there's a very significant level right here at, can I draw it? Right here, so that's around 1.6 cents. I would say that's the main support level right now, actually. And I think we're going to test that. And if we drop down below that level, while the open interest is also going down, I do think that this was the top for Bome. All right, so we're going to test that. If we can actually hold that, and that's the other side of the story, if we can hold that and retest 1.8, 1.85, while the open interest is bullish, so the open interest is definitely something you should watch, then we can rally higher, all right? And then we can actually rally up to 2 cents and 2.05 cents. So that is possible, but in these market circumstances, even though technically this is actually most likely, all right? So just so you know, even though this is most likely, I'm a little bit more prepared and a little bit more afraid for that 1.6 cents breakout. Because if we test that and we break down below that, that could actually mean that we're back into this consolidation range down here before you know it, all right? And it's a bit feeling based, but I actually do think that that's a bit more likely here. But that's very much caused by what I think from Bitcoin and what we're seeing from that, which is just a lot of bearish momentum. So things are definitely possible for Bome, but only if the open interest starts to rally again. So keep your eyes on that. That's the most important thing. If we can get like 3 consecutive green candles, we can actually rally. If not, it's probably down, all right? So that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.